Disabling automatic restrictions on Facebook can help you regain control over your account and its settings. Follow these steps to adjust your privacy and security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or the Facebook app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy. Here, you can review and adjust your privacy settings, including who can see your posts and friend requests. Step 4. Review Security Settings. Next, click on Security and log in the left sidebar. Check your active sessions and review any security alerts or notifications that may have triggered restrictions. Step 5. Adjust account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Facebook account settings and reduce the likelihood of automatic restrictions. Always remember to keep your information secure and regularly review your privacy settings.